everyone, ciao a tutti, welcome and welcome back to Bake It Up. Today is a new episode of the series called Make It Sweet, and we will be making red velvet cupcakes, perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm going to show you how to make a perfect cream cheese frosting and a very simple recipe, so stay with me. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You also want to make sure that all the ingredients are actually at room temperature. And also what you need is a cupcake tray, of course, with some cupcake liners and a piping bag just for some piping with two different pastry tips, and the recipe is in the description box below. Let's get started. So first you want to combine your dry ingredients together, and here I have some all-purpose flour. To my purpose flour, I'm gonna add my cocoa powder and baking soda, and I'm going to use a sifter because we don't want any lumps. Then I'm going to add sugar, granulated sugar, and a little bit of salt. With a whisk, I'm going to whisk those ingredients together just to make sure that they are fully combined. And I'm going to set my dry ingredients aside. Here I have my buttermilk. All the ingredients have to be at room temperature. I have buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can also make it at home. All you need is, in 1 cup, just put 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and you add some whole milk all the way up, and you fill the cup basically, and you let it sit for about 30 minutes and at room temperature, and you have your buttermilk. Simple and easy like that. To my buttermilk, I'm going to add my egg, the melted butter, oil, vegetable oil, vanilla, and you give it a whisk. And here you have your liquids. Basically, this is very simple and very easy to make. You don't need any equipment. This is what is called one bowl method, because we place everything in one bowl and your recipe is done. It's very simple. Really, everybody can make it. Your cupcakes, I guarantee you, are going to be super fluffy and you are going to love it. Now, let's take care of the color. Here I have some white vinegar, and I'm going to add a little bit of color. Again, the recipe is in the description box below, and in the description box below you will also find the products that I'm using today. There are some links that will take you to Amazon, and you can purchase those ingredients there. So grab a fork, try to use a gel-based or oil-based color. It's better than the liquid one. So this vinegar now is also going to activate the baking soda that we use for this recipe. And it's going to make your cupcake super nice and fluffy. The red is going to give a little bit of color to our cupcakes. And we can add our color now to our egg mixture. Give it another whisk. This gel is very, very good. This food color is amazing. Really, you need just a little bit and to achieve a great color. Now this color that looks almost raw orange combined to the cocoa powder that is in the flour, it's going to help to achieve the perfect red color that we need for our red velvet cupcakes. And now, very simple, all you have to do is just to add this colored egg mixture to the dry ingredients. Just mix all those ingredients together. It smells already very good. It smells chocolate. Because guys, cupcakes, red velvet cupcakes is nothing but chocolate cake or chocolate cupcake with a little bit of color. You just have to make sure that in your recipe there is not too much cocoa powder, otherwise your cupcakes are going to be too dark. Okay, so here I have my cupcake tray. I have some cupcake liners, obviously with the Valentine's theme. Here I have an ice cream scoop. And I'm just going to fill those cups. The recipe below makes exactly 6 cupcakes. If you want more, just double the recipe. Okay, so our cupcakes are ready to be baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Okay, so while we wait, let's make our cream cheese frosting. Here I have some unsalted butter at room temperature. Just mix it until nice and smooth. We are going to add a little bit of salt and our cream cheese. And a little bit of vanilla. Again, the recipe is in the description box below. Below you will also find the link of the last workshop. The last video was lava cake, Nutella lava cake. Guys, don't miss that workshop, don't miss that video, because that recipe is amazing. That also is another recipe that you can make for Valentine's Day, and I will put the link here in the corner. Just mix until nice and creamy, and the same is for the butter. You don't want any lumps. And we are adding now our icing sugar. Just make sure you start at the lowest speed, or you are going to have your kitchen fully dusted with icing sugar. And now medium speed. And let's set it aside. Okay, our cupcakes are ready. Let it cool slightly, and let's get ready with our cream cheese frosting. Okay, and here I have our plastic piping bag and 2 pastry tips. I have from Wilton 1M and 6B. For those cupcakes, I'm using 6B. Okay, let's do some decoration here. See how perfect they are. Super soft. Okay, here we have our piping bag, cream cheese frosting, And all you want to do, just use your dominant hand, and with the other end, you use it to guide the piping bag. Here I have some sweet Apolita sprinkles. Okay, super easy to make, and I'm going to try one. So soft. Oh my god, guys, they are delicious. The cream cheese is so soft and airy. It has more like a mousse consistency, and the cupcakes are so soft and buttery. The taste is delicious. Give it a try. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. This cupcake is absolutely delicious. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next week with the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. Ciao.